Robin and I would like to personally thank each and every one of you for being part of our wine club family. So please enjoy this November wine club video.
Welcome to the Alpha Omega Wine Club November 2023 wine tasting experience. This short video contains a guided tasting of your 2 November Wine Club selections, followed by a food pairing by Chef Jesse McQuarrie and a special holiday recipe for family and friends get-togethers. It's harvest time at Alpha Omega, and we're delighted to share our November 2023 Wine Club selections with you. They are 2021 Rutherford Cabernet Sauvignon and 2021 Oak Knoll Proprietary Red. We're going to taste the 2021 Oak Knoll Proprietary Red first. Pour about 3 ounces of this wine into a Bordeaux-style glass. Holding the glass at a 45-degree angle away from you, you'll notice that this wine has a very youthful appearance. It's an opaque ruby red with a deep red rim. To appreciate the distinct aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has forward fruit aromas of dark plums and black cherry intermingled with notes of graphite, anise, and graham cracker. Now swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a medium full-bodied wine with rich, ripe flavors of kirsch, raspberry, dark chocolate, cedar, and oregano. This wine has great balance, which makes it very drinkable now. Located just north of the town of Napa, the Oak Knoll District AVA is a valley floor appellation that benefits from the cooler growing conditions due to its proximity to San Pablo Bay. The combination of cooler temperatures and the deep, rich soils of this region make it popular for all the classic Bordeaux varieties: Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Merlot, Malbec, and Petit Verdot. The name Oak Knoll was originally conceived by acclaimed viticulturalist John Osborne, acknowledging the large number of oaks in the area. It was one of the largest vineyards in the Napa Valley in the 1850s and one of the first to be planted with vinifera grape varieties like Cabernet Sauvignon. In 2021, our winemakers selected a blend of 85% Cabernet Sauvignon, 10% Malbec, and 5% Petit Verdot. 30% of this wine was fermented in French oak barriques, of which 40% were new and 70% in stainless steel tanks. The wine was then aged for 20 months in 40% new French oak barriques, which helped produce that graham cracker aroma that we smelled in the wine. Next, let's taste the 2021 Rutherford Cabernet Sauvignon. Holding the glass at a 45-degree angle away from you, you'll notice that this is also a very young wine, evidenced by its opaque ruby red color and deep red rim. To appreciate the aromas of this young wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass, and then take a strong sniff of the wine. This wine has a mix of ripe blackberry compote and plum aromas mixed with eucalyptus, coffee grounds, and vanilla. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a full-bodied wine with mouth-coating flavors of dark cherry, plums, dried herbs, and rich dark earth, coupled with a long finish. So this wine has an exciting future ahead. We suggest trying the wine now, but you should put a few bottles in your cellar to enjoy over the next 10 years. Rutherford is the historical centerpiece of fine wine in the Napa Valley. Some of the Napa Valley's most famous wines produced in the last 100 years are made from here, made by celebrated winemakers like Andrei Chelichev and John Daniel. A total of just 6 square miles right in the middle of the Napa Valley, Rutherford is known for its warm, sunny days, breezy afternoons, cool evenings, and diverse soils, which is ideal terroir for making world-class wine. Rutherford is also the home of Alpha Omega Winery. The 2021 Rutherford Cabernet Sauvignon is comprised of 92% Cabernet Sauvignon blended with 6% Malbec and 2% Petit Verdot. Our winemakers fermented 60% of this wine in French oak barriques, of which 40% were new and 40% in stainless steel tanks. The wine was then aged for 21 months in 50% new French oak barriques, which helped produce the vanilla aromas that we smelled in the wine. Wines from an exceptional vintage like 2021 typically develop slower and age longer. Try decanting this Rutherford Cabernet Sauvignon for an hour before you serve it to help bring out the exciting flavor profile of this wine. As a food pairing for these 2 wines, Chef Jesse McQuarrie has created a unique dish that embellishes the flavors of both the food and the wine. Holiday spiced ahi tuna with quinoa and pumpkin chutney. The full-bodied, grilled flavors of the ahi tuna and the holiday spices match wonderfully with the dense, earthy fruit flavors of these wines. In addition to the ahi tuna recipe, Chef Jesse has also fashioned a delicious holiday meal that's ideal for a larger group of friends or family. Stuffed beef tenderloin roast with a fall vegetable tian. Be sure to select a special Alpha Omega Cabernet Sauvignon from your cellar to enjoy with this dish. Inside your club shipment, you'll find an insert that has our upcoming winery event schedule and a QR code that will take you to a landing page with additional information about the wines, along with both of Chef Jesse's recipes.
Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. We look forward to seeing you at the winery soon. Cheers.
Cheers.